Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to turn off any or turn on any iPad model. I'll show you from iPhone, but it will also work in iPad. So press and hold power button or touch ID button, either the volume up button once or down button simultaneously. Keep holding the button until the slide to power off screen appears. Slide your finger over the slider to turn off the iPad. Now the alternative method for non-functional button is go to settings, tap on general, and from here scroll down and you'll see the shutdown option. Tap on this shutdown option and simply slide down to shut it down. To turn on your iPad, press and hold the power/touch ID button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. If the power button is non-functional, plug in the power cable to charge the device, which will also turn it on. So that's it. That's how you'll turn on or turn off iPad. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.